Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the Menlo package. This is a Menlo for the month of January. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to unpack this package from Menlo. As you see, it's not black anymore. Before it was black, now it's a really striking orange that we're going to have, and it says here, focus on changing the world will make you look good doing it right. So yeah, there you go. And then it says on the bottom, live better. So this is the new package from Menlo, and for the month of January 2019. So let's unbox this one. It is the Menlo from the month of January. So let's open this. Open this one. Oh wow. They really totally made a big difference, because before it's a all black tissue paper. Now they do have this. So this is the new packaging that they have for that, the new tissue paper for that one. And then let's see what we have today. This is what we got today. It's the Grand AC Stride Pullover. It's a gray sweatshirt. There you go. And then the cool thing about this one is that it does have the zipper pocket on here on the right side. And then yeah, so this is an athletic one that we have in medium, and the color is gray. So this is from Grand AC. So that's one. And then we do have the pants that goes with that one, but I think this is too small for me because it says here it's small. So let's see. So it's Grand AC. It's a matchy type of thing. So there you go. There we go. And this one is called Grand AC Flex Jogger in gray. So there's strings on the in front, and then there's a zipper on each side of the pockets. Each side there's zipper pulls. So which is nice, because when you're jogging and stuff like that, when you're doing athletic stuff, you don't want things falling off of your pocket. And then there's a pocket from behind. And the cool thing about this one is on the side, if you can see it, it does have a zipper pocket to a little one for your keys when you're running, or for your AirPods. So we have that one on the side. So yeah, this is a quick unboxing of this one, and I'm going to show it to you how it looks like. And I hope you like this video. And this is a monthly subscription from Menlo House. It's about $65 every month. Go to the link below if you want to subscribe with them through my link, so that it will give you like $30 off, and then it will give me some incentives on that. Thank you for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Let's check out what's the February will look like from Menlo House. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribers button, and then hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed about new videos that's coming up from my page. Thank you very much. Have a good one. I will see you again. Like I said in the video that the pants is too tight. It's not going to be like this, supposedly. I don't think it's supposed to be like this. But here's the look. It's monochromatic look type of thing. So here you go. So yeah, the good thing about this one, it does have a string on the side too, on this one. So yeah.